Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Prachi and I got the new MacBook Pro 13 inches and I'm super excited about this. So let's see, it's the first MacBook Pro that I'm actually going to use. So I had a MacBook Air and I'm going to actually compare the size as well later on. But right now, I just want to show you this. This is so cool. It has the M1 chip and okay, let me just... So it has 8GB unified memory, 512GB SSD and it has the first M1 chip. So let's see how this is going to be. I'm super excited to use this. So it's going to be faster, the battery life is going to be better, the camera is better, and it's super exciting. And as compared to MacBook Air, the processing power is going to be way better. So that's also something I'm really looking forward to, because I have to edit my videos and it takes a pretty long time for it to actually get rendered. So I hope this gets better with this one. So let's open this baby up. And whoa, this is so satisfying to do this. Sorry. Oh no. This is really satisfying. Yeah. The packaging looks nice, very minimalistic. And so this is what the box looks like. And here it says, it talks about the details. So I just read it out to you guys. 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, blah blah blah, headphone jack, okay. So let's open it. So, oh no, wait. Oh yeah, okay. Oh no. Come on, yes. Ooh, that looks nice. I love the color as well. There are only 2 colors available. This is one and second. Okay. Let me just quickly take this out. Wow. It's so much lighter than the other MacBook Pros. And I'm going to compare it with the MacBook Air. I'm going to have to find it. I don't know where I kept it. It's maybe there. Okay, anyway. So let's open this up first. Yay. Oh wow, it looks so nice. I can't wait to get a skin for this as well. So let me open this and show it to you. Wow. Hey! The touchpad is so big. And it has the fingerprint. Wait, is it this one? I think it is. That is so cool. And also the settings. Even this is different. Okay, I'm just gonna set this up first. Let me show you the other things.
The main language. Press the return key.
Okay, I'm gonna put it down really carefully. Okay, so you get the power cable, and you get the charger, thankfully. And then yeah, these are just, you know. Oh, you get the sticker, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And you get the charger. I'm just gonna set this up really quick and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I set it up, and while setting it up, when I was setting up the card details, the example given to me was use this to pay £326 to Apple. So it was just funny to me. Anyway, so I just want to show you guys how fast it is because of the M1 chip. And look at this. I'm gonna open everything from here and let's see how fast it is. Oh wow. This is great. This is so fun. Oh my god, this is super fast. Oh no. Yes. How incredible is that? Oh my. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this was great. I'm super duper excited to use this. And let me just close it. Okay. Anyway, so I'll let you guys know in a few days how I actually like using it and how much different it is than the MacBook Air that I've been using. Well, the weight, this is significantly lighter, but I'm really excited about the processing power because like the rendering used to take me forever, and also it's fast and it has a touch fingerprint scanner. Sorry. Okay, so So bye guys, do not forget to share, like and subscribe if you like my content, and I'll let you guys know, and I'll probably order a skin as well, so I'll make a video of that as well, maybe from D brand, I don't know. Anyway, so bye guys, take care and stay safe.